Today I got my new Vixia Mini HD camcorder. I ordered it yesterday and I got it today. That's pretty fast. So let's open this thing. And difficult to open. So my first review, the box is difficult to open. Alright. Comes with a USB cable. As usual, the documentations, the manual, CD, and then another cardboard. Alright, so looks like this is it. Alright, let's open this thing. Okay, so I think this is the screen. How do you, okay, yep, this is the articulating screen. You can use it this way or the other way if you're taking a selfie. Alright, so this is the screen, and this is the on-off switch. So when you turn it on, it opens the lens cap automatically. Alright, so this is your HDMI and DC input port. HDMI, DC input port. There's a play button here. I think if you want to play the video that you just took, you can use this. Looks like this is where you put your lanyard, so to easily carry this little beauty here. Alright, on this side is your battery. Okay, put your battery here, close it, and you're okay. And I think this is a kind of like a tripod or something. How do you open this thing? Okay, so looks like a mini tripod, so that when you put it on a table or something like that. Alright, but there's the regular camera stand connector, or if you will, whatever you call this, so you can plug in your regular adapter for your tripod. Okay, and then this section here is your mini SD card, micro SD I mean, USB port, and another place where you can put your lanyard. I don't expect you to put two lanyards here, but I think it's up to you. You can put it on here or the other side. What is this? Okay, I don't know what it is. What does it say? It doesn't say anything, but let's find out later on. Okay, so this is it. This is the main camera. Alright, Vixia Mini, full HD with Wi-Fi. Okay, let's dig deeper into the box. So it comes with a battery charger, and this is the battery, and the lanyard. Okay, let's put this thing together. Let's open this thing, put the battery in. Alright, so it's locked, and then let's turn it on. See if you can see. It opened the lens cap automatically. Now it's on. So I think we need to configure this initially. English. Alright, so the date format, I think this is the one that I want. And then the date and time, I think this is pretty good for me. Okay, so click OK. Alright, so it says no memory card. I didn't put a memory card yet, but so far the image is looking good. Alright. So if we're taking a selfie here. Alright, that's me. Alright. And let's do this. Then let's start recording something, but of course it won't allow us because we have no memory card. Alright. So let's turn this off, and I think that's it. That's the unboxing of our my new camera, Canon Vixia Mini, which I think will be useful for my future videos, because I can see what I'm recording, unlike the camera that I'm using right now. Alright, so let's take another tour.